Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Seeing the importance of unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, and helicopters, India is in full swing to upgrade their existing unmanned aerial vehicles and also planning to acquire more relevant drones from the United States. In this video, we will revisit and see the details on the latest decision which has been taken by Indian Armed Forces. As per the current situation, and that too when China conducted successful trials of the new AR-500C unmanned helicopter. The successful completion of the testing of AR-500C unmanned helicopters is hinting that China would be very soon inducting them. The two major drones on which India is going to depend for the role of reconnaissance surveillance along with carrying payloads are the General Atomics MQ-9B and Israel Aerospace Industries Heron. The General Atomics MQ-9B has a 40-hour endurance and it can fly at an altitude of over 40,000 feet. It can carry an external payload of 2.5 tons across 9 hard points, which includes air-to-surface missiles and laser-guided bombs. The United States seems to be quite busy in selling their weapons to Indian defense sources, and the latest deal in the pipeline, which would be very soon signed, is the contract for 30 General Atomics MQ-9B Reaper drones, which is also known as Predator B drones. As per the defense sources, it looks like the procurement of an initial lot of 6 Reaper medium altitude long endurance drones would be happening first. And out of these 6 drones, each defense force will get 2 of them. The contract is being broken up into 2 parts. 6 MQ-9 drones worth approximately 600 million US dollar are to be purchased outright and delivered in the next few months. The remaining 24 drones would be acquired over the next 3 years. The discussion of procuring armed drones from the United States has been long under discussion, and there were many questions raised over its necessity given the high cost and also the operational requirement in India. So coming to the next drone, which is the Israel Aerospace Industries Heron drones, India has requested help from Israel to upgrade its existing Heron medium altitude long endurance surveillance drones by upgrading its communication links. At present, due to the lack of satellite link in Heron, 2 such unmanned aerial drones have to be flown in tandem with a time gap so that the information is relayed back to base through the second drone in case of long-range surveillance. As per the approval by the Defense Ministry a few months ago, the upgrade involves fitting the Heron drones with a satellite package so that the unmanned aerial vehicle links with the satellite above and information is sent on real-time basis. This upgrade will allow the Heron to conduct long-range surveillance without the fear of losing contact with the base or go into a no-contact zone. The drone's importance in the Indian defense has come after it was felt that China is working too much on this technology and seeing them deploying the unmanned devices in border areas of the Ladakh. So let's hope India works in this direction and gets these drones upgraded as soon as possible and also inducts the United States Predator B drones very soon. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.